All right, this is the Portico. This is in Chapel Hill. It's an Epcon Communities home in this subdivision. It's newish. There's still some construction going on, but most of it is already built. Okay. I think this might be a ranch, which is actually like kind of rare for the parade. I'm surprised that there aren't more single-story homes. I love this entryway. I love a defined entryway. This is nice. Okay. We got this powder room. No, full bath. Oh my goodness. That is a very deep tub for the space. This is actually a really nice shower and tub situation. And I love the tile. We get some storage. Full bath. And oh, there's a bedroom. Okay. It's like a secondary bedroom at the front of the house. Closet space. And then this door. Utility closet. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. This is cool. Very open, very airy. I really like that the main living space has this view of the outdoor seating area. I think it would be good for entertaining if you want to do like an indoor-outdoor situation, like a barbecue, or just have like a lot of natural light. Like there is so much great light in here. Oh wow, this kitchen is actually really, really, really nice. I like the fixtures. I like this backsplash. That's cool. Huge sink. Awesome. This is nice. I like it's like a fun shape. It's just like good visual interest to the room, the ceiling. So I know this is a 3-bed, 3-bath. Ooh. I don't know if this office is one of the bedrooms. I think it might be a separate thing because it's got these 2 double doors, glass off of the main living space, and it doesn't have a closet, so I don't think this counts as a bedroom. So this is like intended to be an a home office space, which is super important because so many people need home office space, including me. All right, so this is like the whole owner suite area. It's like taking up this whole side of the house. So this is a huge bedroom. I do like that you have private access to the outdoor seating area. I don't know how I feel about like the living room is looking straight across into my bedroom. I mean, I guess you solve this problem with curtains and shades, right? That's the only that's the only way to solve this problem. To get some privacy. And then you could choose whether you want privacy or whether you want all this great natural light spilling in. Huge closet, nice, very nice. And then, we got 2 closets. So you got 2 separate closets, 2 separate walk-ins in the master suite. You've got some linen space here. This little hideaway cubby for the toilet. See, it keeps making me think of that other house on the tour I saw that had the toilet just like right in the middle of the bathroom across from the shower. I mean, most of these houses have it either in a separate room or like hidden away like this. Just contain the toilet energy. And then they have this shower. Ooh, and there's no separation before you can just like walk into the shower. And you got this huge bench here. You got that frosted glass window. That's interesting. Very interesting. Double vanity. I mean, it's a huge space. There's a lot of space. I think this entire master suite area with the 2 closets in the bathroom is almost the size of a 1-bedroom apartment I rented once. It's a lot of space. Okay. So we've got this open concept main living area, but I do like that it really clearly defines the zones. Like this is dining, this living space around the fireplace, kitchen in the middle. We got this office. Then we go down here. We have another, this is a pantry, I guess. Okay, close to the kitchen. And we've got a laundry room. It's got a sink, which is important to have in your laundry room. It's a tiny sink though. And we've got this the dryer thing, washer dryer hookup. They love to stage these with dog beds. I do wonder what that's about. Like, are a lot of people putting their dogs in like the laundry room? Is that a thing? And I just missed the memo. I don't know. What's this? Oh, that's the garage. My mistake. That is the garage. Looks like I was wrong. It's not a ranch. It's got a 2nd floor. Okay. Okay, so we've got 1 bedroom over there and a main bath. And we've got an office here, owner suite, 1st floor owner suite there. And then you go upstairs. Ooh, okay. This is a really deep closet. You fit a lot in here. It's a huge closet. You have this nice bonus space. I think kind of crawl space attic or something there. And then another one there. This is nice. So they have this like staged as a kind of family room or something. It's got a wet bar. Game room / lounge. This is nice. This is a really good space. And then it's got a full bath up here. Shower. What? And a bedroom. This stage is a kid's room. So I guess like it's a double closet. Oh, this is a big closet. I love these little doors. This is a big closet. I think there might be 2 of them. So there's a lot of closet space. Okay. So 1 deep closet and 1 like kind of regular closet. All right, that's interesting. This bonus space and then a bedroom off of it. That is something. And it has a door, so you can close the door. You can close that bedroom door. Close off multiple avenues of this. And that garage. So you come in from the garage, got the mudroom, got this closet, I guess would be, no, that's the pantry. I guess Is there a closet by the front door? Well, that's this house. I do like it. I like the shape of the main living space. The owner suite is humongous. Bonus space is fun. I love the plan for the office. I think that sometimes they will have a formal dining room or a separate room staged as an office, but it doesn't have doors. And I always wonder about the utility of that, because you need like some doors, something to close off space if you're gonna have Zoom meetings. So I like that they thought of that. I think this is a really nice house. And you don't have to use it. It's not a ranch like I thought at first, but you don't really have to go to the second floor, like if you don't have to. The owner suite on the first floor. This is nice. It's got a little electric fireplace. Yeah, this is a cool house. All right. A lot of natural light in this design.